Hello, and welcome to Early Music Studio's Music Box series, where we look at some of the wonderful gifts which composers of the past have left to us. Let's see what's in the music box. This is music by the great French composer François Couperin, and today we'll be looking at a piece called Les Satires, Chèvre-pieds, or the goat-footed Satyrs. Satyrs are mythical beings, half man and half goat, and they live in the forest. They're well known for their love of wine and their tendency to chase nymphs. This piece uses the low notes of the harpsichord to portray the satyrs. Going on, we hear notes ringing over one another, and that gives it an even richer sound. This piece has two distinct sections, and this first one is a stately processional. It ends much as it began, with simple chords and a lot of glittering ornaments. In pictures, satyrs are often shown playing pipes, and the next part starts with repeated notes to mimic the pipes. This is followed by running notes. And Couperin builds the whole section on these two ideas. Going on, we hear some strange chords that sound rather drunken. This is followed by more running. And then Couperin uses very low notes on the harpsichord, maybe to imitate the gruff voices of the satyrs. After an extended section of running, the piece ends in a more stately fashion, as it began. With that, Couperin draws the curtain on this rather wild party and on the whole 23rd suite. Everything is not as it seems in the forest grotto. To hear the whole piece, please click on the link below in the remarks. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. I hope you'll join me next time. Bye for now.